To make a behavioral change, you need to be intrinsically motivated. The change needs to come from inside. All these books are free. You're welcome. We're here, Hidden Gems Literary Emporium at the JFK Elementary Week of the Young Child event, and we are so happy to be here at this community event. Events and organizations like this are so important because, as we all know, literacy is a huge problem right now for our children. It's so important for us to join hands to increase literacy. And so how do we do that? At Hidden Gems Literary Emporium, we focus on the fun factor. A lot of people don't know that there are millions of adults in this country right now who read at a third grade level or below. And so that's why we do the work that we do. Thank you to everyone for supporting Hidden Gems Literary Emporium, your nonprofit community bookstore. Please tell a friend about Hidden Gems and support our upcoming 6,000 Miles of Giving tour. We are going, with your help, we are going all the way from New Jersey to California, giving away free books. Please go on GoFundMe.com/HiddenGemsHome, and we will see you on the road.